Hi everyone, it's Greg King and welcome to my video on how to make your business show up on Google search sites for free using one simple tool. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make your business show up on Google search sites for free using one simple tool. And in a moment, I'll give you examples of how easy it's done. And it doesn't take days, doesn't take weeks, doesn't take months. I'll show you how it can actually come up on the first page of Google and YouTube within minutes. What I've noticed over the last little while, it's getting tougher and tougher to do business on Facebook or on Twitter or on LinkedIn or any of the other social outlets. And I've come full circle back to using Google and YouTube because they are the number 1-2 platforms for virtually over 70% of all searches, whether it's a trade, a service, or retail goods that is for sale. Now, the first you want to do is you want to create a new YouTube channel for your business, strictly for your business, and you don't want to have it on your personal. You want to have two separate entities. The next is you want to create a couple of 3 to 5 minute videos on your product or service, because the more you put out there, the more you'll actually be a driving force in your business. And also YouTube and Google will see those searches and start to place them on the first page organically. The third is pick the right title. And keywords matter. In other words, if you're going to use a video, and the title should be how to install a bathroom fixture in your master bathroom on Sunday. So the more specific you can do it, the more power you'll have on getting organically on the first page of both YouTube and Google. The next is making an interesting thumbnail. Now, I will show you that in a little while, but it's kind of like the first, the cover of a book. And you want to have something that's going to stand out from the crowd. And I'll give you an example with my other examples below. Organize your videos into playlists. If you can do a couple of videos, and the magic one is to do 10 videos, 10 3 to 5 minute videos. In other words, an hour's worth of videos, like you sit down in an afternoon and put them together, you will become a driving force in your industry and dominate the first page of both YouTube and Google. The next is create one tag at the start, then more in 7 days. Now, what a tag is kind of like it's in the body of the video, and it will actually work as a search for your video. So you put one at the very start, and after about a week, when everything settles down and Google and YouTube actually place your video stable, then you can add more tags. You can add as many as you want, as many as they'll let you do. The next is when you completely run the new video 4 to 6 times completely, and completely twice, that is. So 4 to 6 times completely. Don't do it halfway through. YouTube and Google love to see people watching the whole video. And if you can do that, you'll place very quickly. And I'm telling you, I can place, and I'll show you once again in a couple of moments, I can place within 2 to 3 minutes. The next is ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. The more likes, the more comments, and the more subscriptions you have to your channel, the more that your videos will stay positive. They'll also stay strong because people will be viewing them. The next is rinse and repeat. So when you do one video like this, you want to do it again and do it again, and it's just a systematic way of doing things. And it's easy. The first one will take a little bit. The second one will take a little bit. The third, the fourth, and go on. Videos will become very easy and actually only take a matter of minutes. Seriously, because I've done this. Now, I've only touched on the tip of how to make videos and make them stick on Google and YouTube. I have an ebook, and it's called How to Promote Business on Google, and it goes more into depth of what to do and how to market yourself and position yourself. I will put it as a free bonus in the comment section below, and at your leisure you can actually look at that, and you'll be able to see a little more in depth. Now to get to the meat of what I promised, and that is example 1. Now, as you can see from example 1, it organically posted. It organically posted the first page. It ranked number 3, and it was done in just 4 minutes. And you can see the other ranks ahead of it, and they're going like 8 months, 1 year, and below is 2 years. So this system works. Now it gets better because example 2, once again, organically posted, first page. Now this is YouTube. It's ranked number 4, and it happened in just 1 minute. And as you can see as a bonus, I have now got the 3rd ranking too. So I've actually got 50% of the front page of YouTube in my expertise. Now the 3rd example is once again organically posted, first page, ranked number 3, 7 minutes. Plus I got ranking number 4, ranking number 6. So I've got 3 of the 6 top videos in this first page. Now, question is, can you see how you can crush the competition by totally dominating your service or your trade or your retail goods? The next is example 4, organically posted. And this is where it gets really, really cool, because the more you put out, the more you have a strangle on the first page, and people will look at you and they'll go, wow, this person really knows what they're talking about, and it's popular. So we got ranked number 7 in just 3 minutes. Then we also got ranked number 3, number 5, number 8, so 4 of the top 8 rankings. And as you can see, it's getting 50% exposure, but the exposure is getting greater and greater. Now, example 6, and I've only got 1 left, is, and that one's the best, is organically posted, first page, ranking number 3, plus number 4, plus number 5, plus number 6. So 4 of the 6 top rankings are mine, which is over 65% of the positioning. So you can see that if you want to be a dominant force, if you want to crush the competition, if you want to be the 5% higher with an expertise in your business or trade, this is the way to do it. Now, the last one I just did yesterday, and it's organically posted. It hit the first page on YouTube, ranking number 1, as you can see here, and it was done in 1 minute. And as you can see, as you go down, this is 9 months, this is 2 months, these a year, and they'll say how to rank number 1 in 24 hours. I'm saying how to rank number 1 in 2 to 3 minutes. Plus, it's on the first page of Google, and it's on the carousel, which means it is the most popular one on that carousel. And that was once again done in 2 minutes, where the other ones you can see are an hour, a year and a half. Now, all in minutes, they were all ranked for free, and they're all going on the first page. Now, once again, I'm going to go over this, and I'm going to toot my own horn. It's free, but you know what? How to promote your business on Google will be an ebook that I will place in below. And that way you can take a look, and it goes a little more into depth. Now, you can see that if you do all this stuff, and it's all for free, and it takes minutes, question is, how would that actually benefit your company when over 70% of people looking for a service, trade, or retail will go to Google first? It makes sense just to do it, and it's done for free, and it works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to keep it in those positions for more than a year. If you've enjoyed the video and found it informative, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And that way you won't miss any of my new videos coming out. Have a great day.